morning, guys. This is the analyzer. Let's get rolling here. Market analysis and trading at the edge of perfection. Please take a moment to read all the important disclaimers. You can always stop the video to actually read the full content. Okay, so what do we currently have as conditions and alerts for ES and NQ? Obviously the conditions are bullish for both of them. SP 500 is near resistance, strong support at 34.30. Current alerts, we've been talking about this paper consolidation near 35.10 and a half. It's been happening nicely, so we'll continue to watch this price. I spoke about them not worrying too much about giving up this point for a day or two just to see who's gonna come in with a sell. We've seen this yesterday, we're bouncing off of it today. So very important price. Upside target is 36.05 and 37.90. Obviously we'll take a few days or few weeks to get there, although looking at the current price, we're 100 points away from it, so we're not that far. Nasdaq, with current conditions, we are near 12,200 resistance, strong support 11,650, upside target is 12,392, and target above it at 12,556. Mark those targets on your chart. You will see with time tremendous accuracy, and they will get hit. ES profit taking zones for today. Mark those levels on your 5-minute chart. Do not add any indicators to it. It is important that you see only pure price action without focusing on the MACD, RSIs, all these bullshit indicators that just confuse you. Okay, mark those levels on your chart, and you will see every single day with the new targets provided, you'll see how the market's going to respond to it. With time, you will learn how to respond to it and how to benefit from it. I got those zones marked on my chart with pros taking your money here. Got that idea from one of the participants. He said that those targets are so accurate that they should be named like that. I kind of liked it, so I changed that. Notice the distance between those specified targets. For example, SP 500, 35.10, 35.20. That's almost 10 points difference here. So this is what the algorithmic strategies will see, and this is what they're gonna go after. Okay, we know that we're currently under the range conditions, so rotating between 10-15 points targets can give them a significant profit at the end of the day. We've seen this yesterday. I spoke about the range day for both ES and Nasdaq, and that is precisely what we got. So today I don't expect much to change, and we've seen this already. They're rotating between those targets. So again, same for Nasdaq. Mark them on your chart. Nothing else on the chart. You want to watch the only pure price action. Watch the distance between them. That's the what the strategy, algorithmic strategies, this is what they see. The distance between them, they measure that and they go after that. They don't aim to capture all this entire move, because it's impossible, but they're gonna capture all of it. With time, you'll know exactly what to do at those levels. So once you plot targets on your chart, it should look something like that. Clearly mark those zones. You see how they respond to it. It's just amazing how accurate those zones are. The current alert is range, so we know we can expect some rotation. Look at this. One, two, three, four, five, six rotations here between 63 and 27. You got some 30 points, so you can see how they're building up their portfolios while the retails are hoping for a big move. What's behind that noise? Okay, the analyzer, the voice of professional traders, strategy developer communicating with his traders. I'm gonna be speaking to Mike. That's a team of traders that responsible for hold alerts. While this strategy was developed in day trading in mind, it is not uncommon to see Mike team holding positions for a day or two. It's just when the strategy gets us in and the momentum is strong, and if it tells us to hold, we're gonna hold. Usually within a day, we'll get stopped out. Chris team, that's a group of traders responsible for scalping, usually in the direction of the hold strategy, unless there is a range alert. I will tell my trader Chris to actually possibly scalp in both direction, and he will do that. He will respond only to those targets provided, nothing in between, because nothing in between matters. Only the fools will jump in on the something in between just to see getting stopped out. We know where the pro's gonna respond, and we're patiently waiting for those zones, and when they're gonna get hit, we're gonna respond to them. Viper, voice of Belgian Malinois. This is my personal guard. You will often hear him bark in the background here, protecting me, sometimes agreeing with the calls, sometimes not. He will voice his opinion and it could get loud. Okay, just ignore him. This is his job. He's doing his job, okay? Alright, the analyzer out, guys. Stay tuned. Rake some profits.